What's up, everybody? It's Silver Seeker, and what we have here is a priority flat rate medium size box. Guys, let's be honest. Do you really want to sit here and watch me open the box for 5 minutes, or do you just want to see the silver that's inside? Let's go ahead and skip past all this stuff and check out the silver that we got in today's unboxing. So guys, let's take a look at some of the new silver coins that we picked up. We're going to start off with this. This is the 2020 Plesiosaurus, 201 to 191 million years BC. Absolutely gorgeous. These are from the Republic of the Congo. These are the same as the 1 ounce silver T-Rexes, which, as you know, skyrocketed in premium, are very, very cool. Now, we picked up these. We picked up a full tube of these. These are the $1 bounty coins. These are from the Cook Islands. Gorgeous, gorgeous design. I really like the finish on the background and the ship. The 1 ounce silver bounty coins. Now, these here, I was really excited to see these. These are the 2020 1 ounce silver Mickey Mouse Christmas. Very beautiful. And take a look at that, guys. Gorgeous. Well, of course, you have the queen on the back, but the front is gorgeous anyway. You got the snowflakes. You got Mickey Mouse with the candy cane and a bow. You can't get mad at that. And the Santa hat. Very, very gorgeous. Now, the next thing we have, guys, you probably saw these already on Ravenhawk Coins channel. If you haven't done so yet, he just did an unboxing with these the other day, but these are the 2021 1 ounce silver Australian kookaburras. Now, not everyone is a fan of these. I keep flipping these top to bottom like they are US coins. Now, not everyone is a fan of the kookaburras, but I am. I think they're pretty. And this is a very, very nice one. Very cool. All right, so what else did I pick up? Well, of course, we picked up a roll of 1 ounce buffaloes. So, you know, it's just a 1 ounce buffalo. Nothing special there. Now, we picked up some holiday themed stuff. I got 10 of the 1 ounce silver. These are the snowmen. Happy holidays. 2020 season's greeting on the reverse. And then we have the 2020 Merry Christmas puppy dog in the stocking. You can't get, oh my goodness, look at that, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. 2020 season greetings on the reverse, Merry Christmas on the obverse, and I really like that. We also picked up 10 of the Canada Wildlife Series randoms. We ended up with 8 of the hawks, the red-tailed hawks, and then 2 of the bald eagle. Very cool. So those were random. It could have been anything. You know, we usually get a lot of the same thing when we do that, but very cool nonetheless. All right, so here we go, guys. These are really cool. This is the 2020 Nui 1 ounce silver yellow snake. I was about to say year of the snake, but the 2020 1 ounce silver yellow snake. Very cool. I picked up 10 of those. Now, I do like that those, like the kookaburras, like the plesiosaurs, come in capsules already. That is awesome, as does the Nui 2020 1 ounce silver red phoenix. Very, very gorgeous. And finally, with this silver pickup, guys, and again, I know you just wanted to take a look at the silver. We have some more of these. These are 2019. These are the 1 ounce silver cheetahs right there from the Republic du Cameroon. Very cool. Oh, snap. Look at that. That one has some milking on the back. That's not good. I wonder if all of them do. Let's take a look at this one. All right, that one doesn't. Well, we have one with some milking on it, so who knows? Maybe we'll just end up giving that away. I have no idea, but it has milking on it. Either way, it is silver, and so is the rest of this, guys. So I just wanted to share with you what we got picked up for this silver haul. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, if you like videos like this, if you like silver unboxings, if you like learning about silver numismatics, coins and more, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss future notifications on my future videos, and it really does help me out as well. All right, guys, thank you so much, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my awesome channel members that are scrolling on the right hand of the screen right now, including tonight's featured Palladium member. Thank you so very much for your support. Guys, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.